Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you step-by-step method to transfer Sui from Slush Wallet, previously known as Sui Wallet, to Binance. So let's get started. So here, as you can see, I have few Sui on my wallet. So I will send this to Binance. For that, first open your Binance. After that, click here, add funds. Then select on chain deposit option. Then here in the search bar, type Sui. Then select Sui. And in the network section, must select Sui. This step is very important. After selecting your network, you will see your Sui wallet. So copy this address. Then go back to your Slush wallet. And then tap on send. Then select directly to wallet option. Then here choose your amount you want to send. For example, I'll select 50% here. Then here paste the address which you copied from Binance. It will charge a small amount of fees. So now click on send. So it's successfully sent. Now back to your Binance and wait a bit to receive the Sui tokens. It will take around 30 seconds to receive. And after receiving funds, to check it, click here on assets. And here, as you can see, I just received Sui in my Binance. So that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.